Alright, beats.
Project demonstrates blockchain for businesses is more than hype. At its simplest form, blockchain technology offers individuals a basis for sharing information and transactions between other people, businesses and software. However, the technology is just as exciting and known as a buzzword as it is functional, with many possible applications to solve real-world problems in innovative ways. For example, the technology has already been known to disrupt industries including, but not limited to, healthcare, real estate, supply chain and insurance. Although disruptive, programming the technology to solve these problems is complex, as blockchain is not sufficiently adopted by programmers worldwide. As a result, disruptive innovation opportunities often never reach their commercialization phase since the cycle is so long and expensive or deemed too ineffective based on the resources needed to incubate the idea, giving it time to grow and reach the market. To help address these concerns, Morpheus Labs set out to create an online platform that allowed programmers to easily learn and develop blockchain-based applications. The team has since become a leader in blockchain platform as a service (PaaS) for developers and enterprises alike. With this backend, blockchain startups gain access to a partner-driven model for end-to-end development that allows teams to manage their own applications without extensive costs and time. As a result, the company was accelerated through Blockchain Foundry, Singaporean Tech Hub, and featured in the Singapore Blockchain Landscape Map and Tribe Accelerator, alongside names like Oracle, Microsoft and IBM. Morpheus Labs continues to place their belief in real utility blockchain with solutions that truly empower and solve pain points in the industry and beyond, with promising progress made over the last 4 years. In other words, the team shares, they are more than a hype. Ready for launch. According to Morpheus Labs, the platform service is targeting to be the Wix of blockchain for enterprises, businesses and developers. The team has already released practical solutions that they believe will add value to the blockchain sphere by promoting education and services that further the adoption of the technology. Among these solutions is the Huawei Cloud X Morpheus Labs Launchpad service, which is aimed at adopting blockchain for businesses. The Launchpad service helps blockchain projects to accelerate their adoption by reaching out to key target segments. When used effectively, it also helps these projects reach out and open doors to a developer's pool, live usage of their network or projects and provide outreach opportunities to the general public, creating more social noise and awareness. More insights from Morpheus Labs here. The team has received several good responses so far and ensures quality is maintained by requiring all projects to go through a due diligence check to ensure the viability of the service. Huawei Cloud and their various stakeholders took it to a webinar on October 28 to provide further insight. Along with Morpheus Labs Launchpad service, Businesses can further supercharge their development lifecycle with the Mulseed platform, complete with infrastructure, protocols, use case references and other development tools. Therefore together, the Mulseed platform and the platform's Launchpad service can be accelerated as go-to-market solutions from the engagement, marketing and validation standpoint of new projects. When looking back at their progress so far, a member of their team shares. Morpheus Labs is proud to facilitate the adoption of blockchain to individuals, businesses and enterprises, what we set out to do in our mission, through various means. From our Launchpad service with Huawei Cloud to our reach via education. We work with strategic stakeholders to strategize and formulate solutions that will facilitate useful blockchain adoption. Educating the masses. Additionally, Morpheus Labs is encouraging the adoption of blockchain by promoting education in this sphere. Their platform has been purposefully designed to create a friendly ecosystem for students and professionals to learn more about the complex environment of blockchain and further propel them into a world that is talent-hungry for these skills. Morpheus Labs is currently partnered with a university in Germany to provide blockchain courses. They are also working with a university in Nepal and ICON to organize hackathons for talented individuals in their area. The Morpheus Labs team continues to prioritize education, as evident from their outreach to Singapore's largest union, in close workings with the government, to provide sponsorships and additional blockchain courses. With many growth prospects ahead, initiatives have also been put in place to provide a gateway opportunity for emerging talent in developing countries and further helping to connect the unconnected. Learn more about Morpheus Labs. Disclaimer: Cointelegraph does not endorse any content or product on this page. While we aim at providing you with all important information that we could obtain, readers should Price Analysis 11/10, BTC, ETH, BNB, ADA, SOL, XRP, DOT, Doge, SHIB, Luna. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, have again risen to a new all-time high on November 10, indicating that the trend remains firmly in favor of the bulls. In a recent report from Kraken Exchange, analysts said that the current quarter's price action has a correlation of 0.88 with the fourth quarter of 2017. Bitcoin had rallied 220% in 4Q 2017, and if history repeats itself, Bitcoin could reach $96,355, which could potentially be this cycle's top. Daily cryptocurrency market performance. Source: Coin360. Long-term holders, who have held their Bitcoin for more than 12 months, are reluctant to spend their coins, according to Glassnode's The Week on Chain report. Another positive is that investors continue to withdraw coins from centralized exchanges whose share of supply has dropped to a new record low at 12.9%. Can Bitcoin and altcoins sustain their bullish momentum, or will profit booking drag prices lower? Let's study the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out. BTC/USDT. The bears tried to pull Bitcoin below the breakout level at $67,000 on November 9, but they could not sustain the lower levels. The modest pullback indicates that bulls are buying on every minor dip. BTC/USDT daily chart. Source: Trading View. Both moving averages are sloping up, and the Relative Strength Index (RSI) is near the overbought territory, indicating that bulls are in control. If buyers sustain the price above $67,000, the BTC/USDT pair could pick up momentum and accelerate to the next target objective at $75,000. A break and close above this resistance may open the doors for a possible rally to $89,476.12. On the downside, the zone between $67,000 and $63,750 is likely to act as a strong support. If this zone is breached, it will indicate that traders may be aggressively booking profits. The pair may then drop to the 50-day simple moving average, $56,348. ETH/USDT. Ether has been trading inside an ascending channel for many days. The bulls are attempting to keep the price above the center line of the channel. The major target to watch on the upside is the psychological level at $5,000. ETH/USDT daily chart. Source: Trading View. This level is likely to act as a stiff resistance, but if bulls do not give up much ground, the ETH/USDT pair may overcome the barrier and rally to the next target objective at $5,283.17. If the price turns down from the resistance line of the channel, the pair could drop to the support line. This is an important level to keep an eye on because a break below it will suggest a possible change in the short-term trend. The pair could first drop to $4,146.30, but if this support also gives way, the correction could reach the psychological support at $4,000. BNB/USDT. Binance Coin, BNB, slipped below the $630 support today, but the bears could not sustain the lower levels. The altcoin staged a strong recovery and the bulls are now trying to push the price above $669.30. BNB/USDT daily chart. Source: Trading View. If they manage to do that, the BNB/USDT pair will challenge the overhead resistance at $691.80. The rising moving averages and the RSI in the overbought zone indicate the path of least resistance is to the upside. On the other hand, if the price turns down from the overhead resistance, it will suggest that traders are defending the level aggressively. The bears will then make one more attempt to pull the price down to the 20-day exponential moving average, $566. ADA/USDT. Cardano, ADA, broke and closed above the downtrend line on November 9, indicating that the selling pressure is reducing. The bears are currently attempting to pull the price back below the breakout level. ADA/USDT daily chart. Source: Trading View. If they succeed, it will suggest that the break above the downtrend line may have been a bear trap. The ADA/USDT pair could then drop below the moving averages and retest the critical support at $1.87. On the contrary, if the price rebounds off the breakout level, it will suggest that bulls are buying on dips. The pair could then rally to the overhead resistance at $2.47. This is an important resistance for the bears to defend because if it cracks, the pair could rise to $2.80. SOL/USDT. The long tail on Solana's SOL November 8 candlestick shows buying at the center line of the ascending channel. However, the bulls could not build on this advantage as strong selling at higher levels pulled the price below the center line on November 9. SOL/USDT daily chart. Source: Trading View. The SOL/USDT pair could now drop to the support line of the channel. A strong rebound off this support will indicate that the up move remains intact. Both moving averages are sloping up and the RSI is in the positive territory, signaling that bulls have the upper hand. A break and close above the channel will indicate strength and the pair may rally to $300 and then to $321. Conversely, if bears sink the price below the channel and the $216 support, the decline could extend to the 50-day SMA, $179. XRP/USDT. XRP broke and closed above the overhead resistance at $1.24 on November 8, signaling that bulls are attempting a comeback. The bears tried to pull the price back below $1.24 but failed to sustain the lower levels. XRP/USDT daily chart. Source: Trading View. This suggests that bulls have flipped the $1.24 level into support. This level could now act as a launch pad for the next leg of the up move. The XRP/USDT pair could rally to the overhead resistance at $1.41 where the bears are expected to mount a stiff resistance. If the price turns down from $1.41 but rebounds off the $1.24, it will suggest that traders continue to buy on dips. That will increase the likelihood of a breakout of $1.41. This positive view will be negated if the bears sink and sustain the price below the 20-day EMA, $1.17. USDT. Polkadot, DOT, turned down from $53.87 on November 8, indicating that bears are selling at higher levels. The price has dipped back to $49.78, which is likely to act as a strong support. USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. The repeated retest of a support level within a short interval tends to weaken it. If the price breaks below $49.78, the USDT pair could drop to the 20-day EMA, 48.09. This is an important support for the bulls to defend. A strong rebound off the 20-day EMA will suggest that sentiment remains positive and traders are buying on dips. The bulls will have to push the price above $55.09 to signal the resumption of the uptrend. The next target objective on the upside is $63.08. Contrary to this assumption, if the price plummets below the 20-day EMA, traders may rush to the exit. That could pull the price down to the 50-day SMA, $39.87. Related, crypto markets rally as inflation rages at 30-year high. Doge/USDT. Dogecoin, DOGE, turned down from 29 cents on November 8, indicating selling on rallies. The price has dipped back to the 20-day EMA, 26 cents, which is an important support to keep an eye on. Doge/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. If the price rebounds off the current level, the bulls will again try to propel the Doge/USDT pair above 30 cents. If they can pull it off, the pair could challenge the overhead resistance at 34 cents. A break and close above this level will signal that bulls have the upper hand. Alternatively, if the price breaks below the 20-day EMA, the next stop could be the 50-day SMA, 24 cents. If this support is breached, the selling could intensify and the pair may drop to the strong support at 19 cents. SHIB/USDT. Shiba Inu, SHIB, rose above the downtrend line on November 9 but the bulls could not sustain the higher levels. This shows that every rise is being sold by the bears. SHIB/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. The SHIB/USDT pair formed a doji candlestick pattern on November 9 which resolved to the downside today. If bears sustain the price below the 20-day EMA, $0.000053, the pair could drop to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.000040 and then to the 50-day SMA, $0.000033. Contrary to this assumption, if the pair rebounds off the current level and rises above the downtrend line, it could reach $0.000065. The flattish 20-day EMA and the RSI near the midpoint suggest a range-bound action in the near term. Luna/USDT. Terra's Luna token has been trading inside a rising wedge pattern. The bulls attempted to push the price to the resistance line of the wedge on November 8 but could not sustain the higher levels. Luna/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. Profit booking near the resistance line pulled the price back toward the critical level at $49.54 on November 9. The strong rebound off this level today suggests that bulls are defending this level with vigor. The buyers will now attempt to push the price to the resistance line of the wedge. If bulls thrust the price above the wedge, the bullish momentum could pick up and the Luna/USDT pair may reach $62.59. This positive view will invalidate if the price turns down from the current level or the overhead resistance and plummets below the support line of the wedge. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Market data is provided by HitBTC Exchange.